lesson. So for today, we are doing our spelling pre-test. So all you need for today's lesson is paper and a pencil. So if you don't have your paper and your pencil, you could pause this, go grab what you need, and come right back. I'll wait. Okay. So just like we do in class, I'm going to read you the word. I'm going to say the word in a sentence, and then I'm going to say the word one more time. Now, the wonderful thing about working from home and seeing this over video is if you see that I'm going too fast or you didn't catch a word, you could pause and go back anytime you want. So let's get started. You ready? Okay. Number 1, whole. Henry bought a whole new set of tires. Whole. 2, kneel. Sometimes I kneel when I pray to Jesus. Kneel. 3, rack. Lucas placed his bicycle on the rack. Rack. 4, wrist. Amber twisted her wrist when she fell. Wrist. 5, whose? Whose car shall we use tonight? Whose? 6, knock. Please knock loudly on the door. Knock. 7, wrench. Jay used a wrench to build, Jay used a wrench to hold the bolt. Wrench. 8, knotted. The ribbons were all knotted up. Knotted. 9, wrecker. A wrecker came to the accident scene. Wrecker. 10, slick. The roads were very slick after the storm. Slick. 11, wrong. The wrong car part was ordered. Wrong. 12, gnat. A gnat has 2 wings. Gnat. 13, whom? Whom did you expect to see? Whom? 14, sign. The highway sign posted the speed limit. Sign. 15, writing. Rico is writing a poem for the contest. Writing. 16, knife. The butcher sharpened his carving knife. knife. 17, checking. The mechanic is checking the engine. Checking. 18, unknown. The unknown sound startled Carl. 19, object. The broken object will be replaced. Object. 20, directions. Alexis wrote down the directions. Now for your challenge words. These are Christmassy words. 21, Bethlehem. Jesus was born in the town of Bethlehem. And 22, nativity. The children enjoyed the nativity scene. 21 was Bethlehem, and 22, nativity. Okay, so just like we do in class, I have the words, and you are going to go back and check the spelling. Don't ignore any mistakes. Go back. If you need to go back and rewrite the word, rewrite it. Don't bother erasing it. Just cross it out, because if you erase, sometimes the pencil mark comes through and it's not clean. Just cross it out or give yourself an X, whatever you want, but write the word spelled correctly, okay? And these are all in order for us, so we're just gonna go along. Remember, if I go too fast or you need some time to catch up, that's easy. You could just pause and go back. We can't do that in class, so this is a huge bonus. I hope you use it. The first word is whole. Now, as we go through the list, I want you to think about what the spelling pattern is going to be for this week. Kneel. Rack. Wrist. Whose. Knock. Wrench. Knotted. Wrecker. Slick. Wrong. Sign. Gnat. Writing. Whom. Knife. Checking. Unknown. Object. Directions. Challenge word number 1, Bethlehem. Make sure you write it with a capital letter. And the last one, nativity. Also with a capital letter. Okay, boys and girls, that's the end of our spelling lesson for today. Now, I know that the temptation is going to be to go ahead and do all the spelling pages all at once just to get it over with. But you know, I really want you to stay focused, do this one day at a time. Remember, the purpose is not so much to just do the work, and it's not even so much to just pass the test, although those are all very important. But the real goal is to help you learn how to spell these words so that when it's time for you to use them in writing, you know how to spell them. So tomorrow we'll work on the page in your workbook together, and then we'll do